You already know that we have built the most powerful execution engine that runs WebAssembly contracts. What if we could use this execution engine to actually implement the blockchain itself? This is an idea that we fermented in our minds for years, but now we can actually implement it. And we are not far from technical success. And today I will show you an internal demo of the first stages towards this goal. I have hooked our WASM execution engine to execute WASM contracts on any kind of data storage. So you can use WasmX with on-chain data, but you can also use it with off-chain data. And we will go in detail in future videos about the different types of chain data that can be under consensus or not. But today I will show you a demo where WasmX executes a blockchain core contract that works with node-specific data. So this means that we can implement the consensus algorithm itself fully as a smart contract. I am using a Solidity contract today with a simple contract that can store a list of validators and a getter function for these validators, and can store the current node address and a getter function for the current node address. This contract is added as a Genesis precompile to the chain. So this Solidity contract is compiled to EVM bytecode, and then that EVM bytecode is transpiled to a WASM contract. I initialized a local chain with one validator, and I'm starting the chain now, and through a special gRPC server that is connected to our WASM execution engine, we can call the setValidators function, for example. I have some logs in the code here, and now we can call getValidators and get the response. The response is ABI encoded in the EVM standard. And we can also set the current node and then get our address. And this is our address, again, ABI encoded in the EVM standard. These gRPC methods actually call the custom precompile contract with the correct call data and function signature, and then just return the result. Now, this is a preliminary stage, and in future videos, you will see blockchains running on consensus algorithms like DPoS and Raft implemented as smart contracts, and much more.